All right, guys, it is time for another Supercharged. This is break 17. Just like the last one, we did at least 3 items per box, guaranteed at least 1 buyback card. You can find sealed wax, autographed memorabilia, items, all kinds of random stuff, sports, historical figures, presidents. Like there's some crazy stuff in these boxes. So let's see what we can pull out of here. 2 first name letters per spot. So I've got Ryan W with 1 spot in this. Jeff H has got 2. Brad, you've got 1. Paul has got 1. Brent's got 2. Ray with 1. And then Rick, you've got 2 spots as well. So using 20 total letters, let's go ahead and randomize. Let's go ahead and randomize the letters. We'll mix this up 5 times. So I think this is the, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first box of a fresh case. So 2 random first name letters per spot. All right, guys, here we go. Brad, you got first name letters D and N. Brent's got A, P, V, and J. Jeff's got F, G, O, and B. Paul with W and T. Ray's got S and C. Rick with R, L, K, and M. And then Ryan, you've got H and Y. All right, so there are your first name letters. Again, if we pull a multi-sign item more than 10 signatures, we'll randomize that, everybody in the group. If we pull a box of sealed wax, has multiple packs in it, then that'll be randomed off. Any of the items that we pull don't have a letter represented in the break, then we'll randomize that as well. All right, we got a framed picture in this. All right, we got a supercharged box, and then we've got a 2022 Super Glow Opal Edition. 5 glow cards per box. So we'll open those in just a second. Let's do the framed picture because it's staring at me. You guys may already be able to see who that is. All right, it's going to be a Pete Rose framed jumbo jersey piece. There's the Mirror's letter of authenticity. It's from a game-worn windbreaker that he wore in the mid-'80s. So that's going to be first name letter P, which will be Brent. Nice one there, man. All right, let's see what we got in these. We don't pull too many of these Super Glow boxes. All right, guys, good luck. right, so there's a pack. Then we've got a couple of case cards. Oh, got an autograph here. So we got Chris Olave. Ooh, a 1 of 1. 1 of 1, Chris Olave. So that's first name letter C will be Ray. And then, dude, is that a Sandlot guy? Shane somebody. Something Zinski. Obed Zinski. That looks like one of the kids from the Sandlot. So that will be first name letter S, which will be Ray as well. So nice, Ray, getting both of these. And then let's see what the pack holds. All right, we got a Brian Robinson Jr. So first name letter B is Jeff. Got a Keyshawn Butte. So first name letter K. We got a Jalen Hurts. And then we've got a Hannah Cavender. I don't even know what I would describe that one as. Tie-dye. So first name letter H in that one. So none of those cards were numbered. All right. And then we've got this other one. All right, nice one here. It's going to be a 2003 Net Pro Venus Williams. PSA 10. So first name letter V, which is going to go to Brent. All right, and that'll do it for that break. So not bad at all. We'll go ahead and get those items in the mail to you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you joining us for break number 17. We'll do more of these coming up here next week.